Thank you. ArcGIS is a powerful platform for working with data, both locally as well as consuming and sharing data over the web. My first example, I'm going to zoom in here around the city of Reading. We're looking at the ArcGIS Online street map. And as I zoom in, we can see additional data being drawn. It's very easy to add data from ArcGIS Online. At 9.3, we've added a new Add Data from Resource Center, which connects you to the online resource center, and you can see all the various data layers available in ArcGIS Online. And as you click on a layer, it's automatically downloaded and added to ArcMap. In this case, I've clicked on the USGS topo sheets, which we can now see added to ArcMap. And as I zoom in further, we can see the additional data come on, and we can turn on our GIS data to overlay on top. ArcGIS Online is more than just dealing with street maps and topo maps. As we saw, it contains many other layers, including high-resolution imagery. And as I zoom in, we can see how this imagery adds context and details to our GIS information. At 9.3, we've added more premium subscription services. In this map of Europe, as I zoom in around Munich, you might recognize the cartographic style being used. This is actually the Microsoft Virtual Earth data being used as a subscription service from ArcGIS Online. This means you have access to the street map, the aerial imagery, as well as the hybrid map for use with your GIS information. But ArcGIS is more than just consuming data from the web. It also allows you to share data to the web. At 9.3, we've added new tools to be able to share data in a very popular format, KML. You can now export your map or your layer directly to KML. Once exported, you can use your GIS information in other applications, such as Google Earth or ArcGIS Explorer. In this case, I'm looking at my data in Google Earth. And as I zoom in here around Santa Barbara, we can see my GIS information displayed. And we can have access to our geodatabase attributes, which are embedded inside of the KML. Probably the most popular way to share data over the web is using PDFs. At 9.3, ESRI and Adobe work very closely to improve the support of PDFs, to extend the specification to better work with maps. You can now export PDFs that contain your feature attribute information, as well as your georeferencing information. So when you open these PDFs in Adobe Acrobat, you have more than just a pretty picture. You can now be able to identify on this map and look at your geodatabase attributes that you embed inside of your PDF, so you can share this with other users. You can also display the coordinate information and X and Y location within your map, place geographic markers, and be able to measure distances on the map. These improvements to PDF allow you to easier share your GIS information with a large number of users. These are just a couple of the improvements for both consuming and sharing information to the web with ArcGIS Desktop. Thank you.